Here comes another banger. Now, I've already featured, Big Shaq's Man's Not Hot from earlier in this year, because it had the Space Needle and Ferris wheel. Let me just quickly show you that, just get that out of the way. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, there's your Ferris wheel and your Space Needle. Alright, so yeah. Boom. Okay, so you got your Seattle reference on that, right? So you already know to look out for the for this puppet here with his Zionist team behind his videos. Now he's come out with another one, right? And see how big that was pushed. That was pushed to almost 300 million views. Jeez. This one's already at 22 million views. Big Shaq Man Don't Dance. Yeah. Oh, this is good. I don't know how good because I've only gone halfway, but it's already bloody good. Right. Starts with Portland Cafe. Oh, where is Portland? Oh, it's next to Seattle. We know that. Portland, Oregon, right? With its weird murals. Yeah, Christina Beauchamp has been looking at those. Yeah, Seattle, Tacoma, Olympia, etc., etc., and Portland, right? So, another Pacific West Coast, Seattle reference, Portland Cafe, right? I have to cut forward a little bit, just a little bit, to, yeah, here we go. I'm going to play it at slightly fast speed to avoid copyright. Yeah, that should do it. Right. This is Pope's Road, Brixton. As you can see. Brixton was mentioned in that It Only Happens Here in London track, which featured all the ops in London. And yeah, Harrods and Brixton were mentioned as an extra. So yeah, there's a chance. Well, I mean, they'd love to do a black op. The Zionists would love to do a black op in Brixton, with all the goyim there, huh? But we'll see. I don't know. Anyway, so you got that, but really, so far you've got Seattle. You might doubt that because it's just Portland, right? Get ready. Skitty up, boom, boom, skitty again, boom, boom, boom. But push back, that should go, and we back, that should start moving shot. Can you get any more guarantees, huh? 118, 118, I've got your number. Huh? There's your date, 11/11/18, November the 11th, 18. Boom. He's on a boat as well. Alright, I'm going to carry on playing it. It's going to play fast, so I don't know if I can catch things, but I've already caught enough. Portland and the date. Blatant. I'll take you to the black. We'll eat breakfast in the sky. Black, and leave, tell them other man black, tell them black, straight inside that. It's a big time, actually a nice guy. She said, yeah, that's a good track. But if I text you and you got to reply, you might be blind. Then I'll rewind, but you stay there, cause it's all fine. She started laughing, and orange. I said, man, this girl is starting. I said, babes, I'm a big man, I got big plans. They call me Big Shaq. I made the thing go crack from way back. And I made man stop, but you know you like that. Wanted to vibes, man don't dance, look in my eyes. Man don't dance, man don't dance, sex on your ex. Man don't dance, she said to my friends. Man don't dance, touch my chest. Man don't dance, one twist. Man don't dance, man don't dance, man don't dance, man don't dance. You wanna rise, take your choice. She looked at me and made a stance. I feel like MC Quakes in balance. She said, surely you got some moves. Babes, I do. Show me what you can do. I'ma take you through. So I just.
Do you, Mr. Frederick Takumbo, take? Yo, big man, louder. Man, don't me say my government name. It's Big Shot. Apologies. Do you, Mr. Big Shot, take the Snoochie Divine to be your lawful wedded wife? Do you, Snoochie Divine, take Mr. Big Shot to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Okay.
I like that. I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Big Shot. You may kiss the bride.
Babes, just relax. Gotta do the private thing.
Because he's a bird boy. A bit of a hanky code he was running there on his trousers.
I just 1 2 step and a slide. So I just 1 2 step and a slide. I just 1 2 step and a slide. So says she wants to try, I'm no instructor, so bye, loud. Man don't talk, so not that guy, Don't ask me why, she wants to vibe. Man don't dance, look in my eyes. Man don't dance, 1 2 step, man don't dance, flex on your back. Man don't dance, she stepped on my breast. Man don't dance, touch my chest loud. Man don't dance, 1 2 step, man don't dance, man don't dance, man don't dance. Done now, skinny pop, 2 fingers pop.
Baphomet.
Big Shot. Yo, man don't dance, man don't dance, man don't dance. You can ride, but man don't dance, man don't dance, man don't dance. You done now.
Yeah, I couldn't take that call. Can't be interrupted in this important video. Boom. 118, 118, I got your number. Portland. Boom. Seattle, Portland. Pacific Northwest. Boom, boom, boom. Blackouts. You need any more? Yeah, have some more. See what else we got in there. I know there's more. Oh, look at that. It comes up again. And again. Let's have some more Ferris wheel. Go on, go on, go on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, all Seattle references. They say it's Toronto. Yeah, it is Toronto, but it's all Seattle references, huh? Emergency alert system for America.